Artificial intelligence, AI, has revolutionized countless aspects of our lives, but it's crucial to explore the other side of the coin. As we dive into the depths of AI's capabilities, we must ask ourselves, are we truly in control? In this video from the AI Collective, we'll uncover the darker implications of AI technology and its potential to disrupt our lives in unexpected ways. Stick around, as what you learn may change your perspective on AI forever. The dual nature of AI, benefits and risks. AI is often hailed for its ability to process massive amounts of data, optimize processes, and enhance productivity. We've witnessed AI revolutionizing industries, automating tasks, and improving efficiencies across the board. However, with these advantages come significant risks that we must not ignore. Amplification of bias. One of the most pressing concerns regarding AI is its propensity to perpetuate bias. Algorithms are trained on vast data sets, which often reflect the prejudices and inequalities of society. For example, if an AI system is trained on data that contains biased hiring practices, it may learn to replicate those biases, resulting in discriminatory hiring outcomes. In criminal justice, predictive policing algorithms have been criticized for disproportionately targeting minority communities. If historical data shows higher arrest rates in certain neighborhoods, the AI may suggest increased police presence in those areas, thus reinforcing a cycle of discrimination. This amplification of bias poses serious ethical concerns and highlights the need for greater scrutiny in how AI systems are designed and implemented. Autonomy versus accountability. As AI systems become more sophisticated, the question of accountability grows more pressing. If an AI makes a mistake such as misdiagnosing a patient or causing an accident, who is responsible? Is it the developers, the users, or the AI itself? This ambiguity complicates the relationship between humans and machines. The emergence of autonomous systems, particularly in areas like transportation and defense, intensifies this dilemma. Self-driving cars, for instance, must make split-second decisions in life-threatening situations. If a self-driving car causes an accident, who bears the responsibility? The developer of the software, the owner of the vehicle, or the AI itself? These questions demand urgent answers as technology advances. Moreover, the rise of autonomous weapons presents extreme examples of AI's potential dangers. As these technologies develop, they can operate with little to no human oversight, leading to dire consequences. The more we relinquish control to AI, the more we risk losing our ability to manage its actions effectively. Job displacement. A looming threat. The fear of job displacement due to AI is very real, as machines can perform tasks faster and cheaper than human. While AI can create new job opportunities, the transition may not be seamless. Many workers find themselves unprepared for the shift, facing job insecurity and economic instability. The skills gap. As industries evolve, those who cannot adapt may be left behind. Workers in sectors threatened by automation often lack the necessary skills to transition into new roles created by AI. Reskilling and upskilling initiatives become crucial in addressing this skills gap. However, access to training programs is not always equitable, leading to disparities in job opportunities. The responsibility lies not just with individuals but also with governments and institutions to ensure a just transition. Policies promoting lifelong learning and access to education can help workers prepare for the changing landscape of employment. The ethical dilemmas of AI. As we explore the implications of AI, we must confront ethical dilemmas surrounding its use. Issues like algorithmic transparency, consent, and the potential for misuse loom large. Algorithmic transparency. One of the primary challenges in AI ethics is algorithmic transparency. Many AI systems operate as black boxes, where users have little to no insight into how decisions are made. This lack of transparency can lead to distrust and skepticism regarding AI technologies. To build trust, organizations must prioritize transparency in their AI initiatives. Providing clear explanations of how algorithms function and the data they rely on can empower users and foster accountability. This transparency is essential for mitigating bias and ensuring that AI is used ethically. Consent and data usage. The question of consent is another critical issue. Many AI systems rely on vast amounts of personal data to function effectively. However, users often unknowingly consent to their data being collected and used for purposes beyond their initial understanding. Informed consent should be a fundamental principle guiding AI development. Organizations must ensure that users are fully aware of how their data is used and have the option to opt out if they choose. Respecting user autonomy is crucial in building a responsible AI ecosystem. Potential for misuse. A potential for AI to be misused poses significant ethical challenges. From deepfakes to automated propaganda, malicious actors can leverage AI technology for harmful purposes. The ability to create convincing fake videos or generate misleading content can undermine trust in media and information. Addressing these concerns requires collaboration between governments, technology companies, and civil society. Establishing regulations and frameworks for responsible AI use can help mitigate the risks associated with misuse. Embracing responsible AI development to harness the power of AI while mitigating its risks, we must advocate for responsible development practices. This includes fostering diversity in AI teams, encouraging public discourse on ethical standards, and implementing robust regulatory frameworks. Diversity in AI teams. Diversity within AI development teams is essential for creating equitable and inclusive technologies. A lack of representation can result in algorithms that fail to account for the needs and perspectives of marginalized communities. By prioritizing diversity in hiring and decision-making processes, organizations can help ensure that AI serves the interests of all users. Public discourse and ethical standards. Encouraging public discourse around AI ethics is vital for shaping the future of technology. Engaging stakeholders from various sectors, including academia, industry, and civil society, can lead to a more comprehensive understanding of the challenges and opportunities posed by AI. Establishing ethical standards and guidelines for AI development can provide a framework for responsible innovation. These standards should prioritize fairness, accountability, and transparency, ensuring that AI technologies are developed with the best interests of society in mind. Regulatory frameworks. Governments and regulatory bodies play a crucial role in shaping the future of AI. As AI technologies evolve, there is an urgent need for legislation that addresses the ethical and societal implications of their use. Establishing clear regulations can help ensure that AI is developed and deployed responsibly. Countries around the world are beginning to take action. The European Union, for instance, is working on the Artificial Intelligence Act, which aims to create a comprehensive regulatory framework for AI. This act categorizes AI applications by risk level and establishes guidelines for transparency and accountability. Such initiatives can serve as models for other nations seeking to address the challenges posed by AI. The future of AI, striking a balance as we navigate the complexities of AI. It is essential to strike a balance between innovation and responsibility. The goal should be to leverage AI's capabilities for the greater good while addressing the potential risks it poses. Addressing the challenges of AI requires collaboration among various stakeholders. Tech companies, policymakers, researchers, and civil society must work together to create a holistic approach to AI development. By fostering dialogue and sharing best practices, we can create a more equitable and sustainable AI landscape. Raising awareness about AI and its implications is crucial. As individuals, we must educate ourselves about the technologies we use daily. Understanding how AI impacts our lives can empower us to make informed choices and advocate for ethical practices. Educational initiatives in schools and communities can help bridge the knowledge gap surrounding AI. By incorporating discussions on technology ethics, data privacy, and responsible AI usage into curriculums, we can prepare future generations to navigate the complexities of an AI-driven world. Are we really in control? As we reflect on the dark side of AI, the question remains, are we truly in control? The answer is complex. While we have made remarkable advancements in AI technology, we must acknowledge the inherent risks and challenges that accompany it. The potential for bias, privacy invasion, accountability issues, and job displacement all demand our attention and action. Ultimately, the future of AI is in our hands. By remaining vigilant and proactive, we can steer the course of AI technology toward a path that prioritizes ethics, accountability, and the well-being of society. It is our responsibility to ensure that AI enhances our lives rather than diminishes our control.